Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well during this COVID-19 crisis. And to help take better care of our bodies, today I'm going to show you guys how to make almond milk. It is considered a superfood because almonds are packed with nutrients that are essential for our bodies. They have long-term benefits for our health, such as helping better your skin, reinforce your eyesight, and strengthen your bones, and many more. It is a great alternative for cow milk for sure. So to make this, you will need almonds and a piece of cheese cloth. The almond that I'm using here is steam pasteurized, so it is good to be used right away. Therefore, we are not going to cook the milk. And trust me, you don't want to boil the milk because through my experience, you're gonna get lumps. So let's get started. First step, we are going to soak the milk in water. Here I am using 3 cups of almonds, and this would make about 8 cups of milk. So we are going to soak them in water for about 3 to 5 hours. This process will soften the texture of the almond and also help you get the most milk out of the nuts. So after 5 hours of soaking, I'm going to rinse them with water until the water comes out clear. Next, I'm going to blend the almond with water. As you can see, I'm having a pot and a strainer with the cheese clogged on top like this. Then I'm going to divide the almonds into 3 portions to blend 3 times. I'm going to scoop first portion into the cup and add some water just right above the nuts, about an inch. We're going to blend this first in about 20 seconds. Then we can add more water in, about 2 cups, and continue to blend this for another 20 to 30 seconds. And now to the fun part. I'm going to strain the mixture. And remember to actually have your fingers squeeze in the bag to get the most milk out of it. Repeat the same process with the rest of the 2 portions of the almonds. As you can see, the color looks just perfect and delicious. So what we're looking for here is that we will have about 8 cups of milk from 3 cups of whole almonds. And I also find that you can store this in the fridge for about 3 to 5 days. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you guys find it useful and enjoyable. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Take care. Bye bye.